What's up, guys? My name's Aurora. If you're new here, I hope you're not new here because this is like a thrown together video, but if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and make videos all about beauty, fashion, and home decor on a budget. This is like so low quality. I'm sitting in my brother's room at home, and I look like a mess. I just woke up, but I needed to do some sort of an intro to this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of clips that I've gathered over the month of September of me gathering up some little goodies from Dollar Tree. This isn't going to be a long video, but I was planning on including some of the stuff in like a vlog, like a Halloween vlog, and time has just escaped me. So it's about to be October when I'm filming this. I'm hoping to get this up like at the beginning of October. So this is just like a little bonus video for you guys. But yeah, so I have a bunch of little Halloween decorations that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be showing you guys also like how I decorate, which I haven't done yet as I'm filming this. So right when I get home, I'm going to do that. So keep watching if you want to see some affordable little decorations, how I decorated for Halloween this year. Very, very minimal, but I was going for kind of like vintagey, homemade DIY 60s and 70s inspired Halloween. So I didn't do too much. There was actually a lot of decorations that I was seeing online that I wanted that I could not get my hands on, that I was hoping I would be able to by the time it was October, but girl, Halloween decorations have been like sold out since August at Dollar Tree, at all the Dollar Trees near me. We're gonna get right into it. Make sure to subscribe. I post new videos every single Monday and Friday. And if you wanna follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at RoyBell3L20. I have one decoration that I got like yesterday that I thought I would just show you right here, and then we'll get off to the rest of this video. This is obviously from Dollar Tree. I thought this was so cute. You could do so much with this, whether you're like me and you just want to make it a little tiny display piece, or if you want to get a bunch and like line a driveway, or like put them in a windowsill, put them on shelves, like just so cute. This little, I love pumpkins like this. A little glass pumpkin, you can put like a candle in it, which I'll probably do. It has the little like holder, so it's like a little lantern. It looks like one of those like, you know, iconic orange little plastic tub that you would carry around on Halloween. So I just thought this was so cute. I was so impressed that I found this for just $1. I feel like it's a pretty substantial like size, and again, they had a bunch. So if you're looking for something cute, a little DIY, again, you could like really easily make a cool setup with a bunch of these. So yeah, let's move on to all the other Halloween decorations that I picked up. Sorry you guys for how low quality this is, but I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. All right guys, I am Jordan. Come here. I don't think I've shown you him on my channel. This is my doggy. He does not want to be picked up. Hi Charger. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I got at Dollar Tree. So I did not decide like on a theme until really recently, but like as soon as they put out stuff at my Dollar Tree, probably like end of August, I went ahead and I picked up some stuff. So now that I'm kind of looking at my little tiny pile that I have right now, some of it I don't even want to use because it's just not the vibe, but I figured I would show you everything first. So I'm going to start off with the things that I'm not really sure if I will be using or how I will be using or if I'll be returning. So first one I got as like a craft, and I think it's fun, even if we just do it as a craft, but the intent was to hang them up and I'm just not feeling them now anymore. Anyways, this first one says welcome fall. It is like a really nice material for Dollar Tree, and I do think it will be fun to paint. So we got that one. And then this one says happy Halloween. I do like this one more than the other one. This, I don't know what I was thinking. This is not cute. I mean, it's cute, but like not, I don't know. I don't think it's the vibe. Maybe I'll figure something out. I really just, I don't know. You guys tell me. So I got a pack of these two little scarecrows. I mean, they're cute, but like just not the vintage vibe. Anyways, this is just really cute. Might end up in the bathroom or something, but this, the sign was really cute. It says a spooky witch and her boo haunt here. I got that. Okay, now on to the ones I actually like. So all of these kind of give me the vintage vibes I want. So the first thing we got is this sign that says trick or treat. I'm planning on putting this on our front door. Yeah, it was just giving me very vintage. I love like the die cuts from like the 60s, the 70s Halloween time. Then I found this card and I thought I would do like a little mini DIY. So this card, it just says thinking of you on Halloween, but I thought that graphic was so vintage and cute. So I ended up getting this frame also from Dollar Tree. It's like a wood material. I feel like that is going to be so freaking cute, just like sitting up. It obviously has a little stand, so I can make it a little cute decoration on some sort of a drawer or something. And then I got this garland. This is from Dollar Tree, obviously, so it's everything else. But again, I just love like the little homemade elements that you see in like vintage Halloween. So this was kind of giving me a similar aesthetic. It just says Happy Halloween on this felt garland, and it has cute little animals that are like Halloween vibes. How cute is this? It has a little spider, a crow, a black cat. So cute. And then a ghost and another little cat. So super, super cute. I might do this in like the entryway. I don't really know. But that is everything I got so far from Dollar Tree. Let's see. Hopefully I get some more good stuff. But yeah. Alright guys, my mom got me 2 things from her Dollar Tree that I really wanted and mine didn't sell, so I'm so excited to show you guys. I kind of thought both of these items look a little vintage. So this first one is like this cute little ghost. It lights up, but I just love the little trick-or-treat bag and the bow. I think it's such a cute little figurine just to have kind of displayed. And then I love these pumpkins. They are just so old-fashioned to me. I don't know what it is, but they give me such 60s and 70s vibes. Again for watching. Make sure to let me know in the comments like where your favorite Halloween store is to get affordable decorations, and subscribe if you like videos all about beauty, fashion, and home decor on a budget. Love you guys. Happy Halloween. Bye.